In the case of promoting seeds through participatory crop improvement, the project is trying to work with the seed producer groups and the rice millers, work with the government systems to make changes in the regulatory policies, and the project is also trying to set up a new private company. In the sense, you need to work with a large number of different actors if you wanted to put new knowledge into use. And the second thing is that if you have to put new knowledge into use, it's more about building the capacity of a large number of actors in the system. And this is more about building networks, have policy dialogues, and do value chain analysis, enterprise development. You need to do a large number of such kind of activities if you wanted to build the capacity of the actors. And most of the activities are focused around building this capacity by terms of networking, discussions, meetings, enterprise development, and all those kind of a thing. And there are a large number of examples are there. For example, in the case of integrated floodplain management in Bangladesh, the project has to work with the federation of user groups, people who have been formed as user groups in the floodplains, work with the government actors to make changes in the leasing arrangements. And there are also issues related to access, and there are all kinds of conflicts among the different actors. So you need to intervene and do a lot of intermediation if you wanted to put knowledge into use. And the third important lesson is that all these projects are now basically trying to make changes in rules, regulations, and policies. Because what is increasingly clear is that once you have to scale up this kind of large amount of new technologies, new processes, new knowledge, you need to engage a large number of other actors, other policy relevant actors. For instance, in the case of microfinance project in India, the challenge is how to make changes in the rules and regulations related to microfinance. Similarly, is the case with the kind of participatory crop improvement. You need to make changes in the rules and regulations related to release of varieties if you wanted to make any changes. And also if you wanted to make some kind of more serious changes, you even need to make changes in the paradigms of plant breeding. You need to influence the current practices, current ways of, or current scientific methods used in plant breeding if you have to make a large scale impact in promoting seeds of client oriented of breeding. And probably one of the another major lesson is that you need a more time and resources if you are really keen on putting knowledge into use. Because at the moment, all these projects have been successful in taking these new technologies into the field and trying to create a kind of a critical mass of people and organizations who are interested in promoting this new knowledge. But you need probably a more number of resources. So in a sense, it is very challenging if you wanted to put new knowledge into use.